Today we are going to understand a concept called comments. These are the smallest topic but plays a biggest role in the Java here. Okay, very important concepts these are. Okay, so why it is important, after the by the end of the video you will only get it. Okay, first we will understand what is comments. Okay, now one guy is commenting on you, what you will do? You're going to ignore that, right? If you just if you are getting angry, he's going to comment more, so we need to ignore. Like that here also, the compiler is going to ignore the comments. When it is ignoring the comments, what is the use here? And I am telling that this is the most important concept I'm saying. Correct? You may ask this doubt. Right, comments are used to give some information. Like, first suppose we are going to write a lots of code. Right, in future we are going to write some 1,000 lines of codes also. Okay, we may write thousands of lines of codes also. So now I want to search a particular topic in this 1,000 lines, so you need to start from beginning to ending. Okay, it will be very difficult for us. Instead of that, if you have given the comment, so first suppose this is on particular topic, I have given some information about this, so this will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, so ignored by the compiler, the information whatever you have given in this line, it will be ignored, but it will be useful for you. Okay, so now first suppose I am giving, like, I need to say I am giving one code, writing one code, Flipkart code I am writing. First suppose assume that in one file itself I am giving, like, add to cart I am giving the code, and in one file itself I am giving orders also, check the orders, payment, everything I am writing in one file itself. Let us consider like that. However, we are not going to do like that, but consider like that. Okay, so this will be some 200 to 300 lines are there, entire code. Okay, entire 3 concepts code. So now I want to find the orders now. So if I need to check orders, so from starting one by one line I need to check. Instead of that, so I will mention these first 4 lines are the code for add to cart, these few lines are the code for orders, and these few lines are the payment. So if you got any bug, any errors also, you can easily find, okay, this is add to cart code, here only I need to modify. This is orders, so here only I need to modify. This is payment, I need to modify. So I will get a clarity here, like which one is which code and all. Okay, so I hope you got it about the comments. Okay, here we have to know types of comments here. Okay, so we are having some types of comments. So let me take like this, types of comments. There are some types of comments, like you're giving the comment, while giving also some rules we need to follow, because the compiler is ignoring this information is only for you. Okay, for your understanding you're going to give the comments. Okay, we will give and we will understand also. Okay, so there are 2 types of comments actually. How many types? 2 types of comments are there. Okay, so one is nothing but single line comment, and another one is nothing but multi-line comment. Okay, single line comment and multi-line comment means whatever the information you are giving, that should be in a single line. Okay, the comment should be in single line, and if you are writing that information in one line, you have to use double slash. Okay, so this if you have given this double forward slash, this entire line is going to be commented, means this entire line is going to be ignored by the compiler here. Okay, so when it comes to the multi-line comment, so you're going to give slash, star, and slash, okay. In between these, if you are writing anything, that will be ignored by compiler. Okay, sometimes we are going to give in one line only the comment, sometimes we may give in the multi-line also. Let us see one example here. Okay, and comments are going to be ignored by the compiler. So after giving double slash here, you can write any code, anything you can write, whatever information you need you can write. Let us check this out. Okay, so I am going to use this trial version only. Let us just move aside. Okay, okay, so I have created a new class. The class is nothing but, let us take a joker class. Okay, why joker? We are taking comments class only we'll take. Okay, I am taking a class as a comments. Now see here, so we know these like class comments and all is this, so we will discuss about public static void and all. Okay, today we'll get some information about this. In future videos we'll get some more information about this. Okay, now single line comment. So I am giving here I am printing hello world. So this is the information. See, as of now, one line, there is no required of comments actually. If there are thousands of lines of code we are going to write in future, because we are going to create a project. The project will not be created within a single line, right? Okay, so at that time, so we need to give some information about this below steps. And also at that time, what I'm doing, I'm writing here, I'm printing hello world, and this here I'm printing hello world will be ignored by the compiler. If you didn't give here, it will be an error. So let us check that. So I am giving comment here. So comments.java, and let me run in command prompt. So I'll give java c comments.java. So compilation done. So class file will be generated. Java comments is the class. So hello world, if you see, this has been ignored. Okay, how can you say that? If I suppose, let me give like this, I am not giving single line comment. So at this time what will happen? See, semicolon expected, something it is telling. Okay, so there are not one error, so 3 errors are there. See, multiple errors are there. So if you give semicolon also error, because this is not a structure, we are not allowed to write like this. Okay, we understood about the structure, right, already. So I am giving like comment, so this will be ignored by the compiler. So now when I compile it and run it, it will print. Okay, first suppose I am entering some details. So this time I am trying to use multi-line comment. So here we are printing address. See, okay, multi-line. So now these all the lines will be ignored here. Does we need to give tab space? So just for understanding, I'm giving, you can give whatever you want inside this. This will be ignored by compiler. So semicolon and brackets, dot and all, it is not going to think about it anything. You can give whatever information you need to give in multiple lines. Okay, this is in single line, this will be ignored, and this will be multi-line, this also will be ignored. So system.out.println, I'll give India is the address. So let us save and let us give compile and run. See, hello world India, and this is for our reference. Okay, I am printing address here I am printing the hello world. Okay, as of now 2 lines are there, maybe you may not get confusion, but number of lines of code is increasing. At that time we will get the problem here. Hope you guys got it right. This is about comments. Okay, so next we will see about the concept called keywords.